Another request I received by someone 1 month ago. I forgot. So today focus is to compare Remington 5 with the Lettera 32. Especially for the quality, he or she asked which one is a better quality. It is not easy to say that because depending on the user, right? But I can say first the fact. The weight, this one is 9.13 ounce. I mean 9 pound 13 ounce. This one is 9 pound 8 ounce. So not that big difference. Little bit heavier this one, right? And then the size, this size from here to here, almost same. But the deep from here to there, this one is 1 inch deeper, longer, right? This one. But height, this one is 1.5 inch taller than the Lettera. And then as you see, the design is totally different. This is open design, this is a closed design. So the main thing, this is better because we can cover that around it. But this is totally open. So we need more clean this one, right? Yeah. And then for touch, this is very soft and light. But this one is especially in the beginning, we need a little bit more power to hit. Why? There is a reason. Because the Typewriter is totally laid down. It's almost same degree, flat. But this one is not that. This one is, see, more than almost closer to the 40 or 35 degree. But this one is a flat. So that's why in the beginning of typing, you need more power for this one. But if you keep that kind of power, then print result, this one is better. It's theoretically, mathematically, you can prove, right? Because more power and get the hit, then more good result. So, which one is more quality? For design stuff, for lady stuff, I can go this one. Also, how many you wanna use? How often? Like you wanna write a novel, then you need this one instead of this. But are you engineering or you also just use this one for issuing check or sometime just a couple letter, then you can use this one. Also, it's for the man or boy stuff. But absolutely for lady, I can go this one because it's very soft. Another thing, if you have a big hand, you should go this one because this between the keys is very narrow compared to this one. This one, see, you can put the one finger almost here, right? But this one, no way. So that's why. Also, around the key there is a metal stuff, so it's protected to move to the next key. Not that much, but still it's very effective. But this one, even though it's a little bit curved inside to fit in the finger, but still, if we want to hit the key past it, then easily we can touch the next keys. So if you're very fast typist, maybe this one is better. But you don't care that kind of stuff, then maybe this one. But absolutely big hands, this one is much better. This because this is very close to the each key. Yeah, that's my finding to this one. This is very glossy material. Remington 5, there are a lot of different design. One of them, this one. I like this one. This touch is much better than this one. Very close to the this. So, yeah, every typewriter it's individual because it's usually over 50 years ago it was manufactured. That's why, right? So, yeah, it's depending on the person. Sound is this is more louder. See, I like this sound much better. This one is very how can I say the feeling. I think this one is better. Touch feeling. See, I can feel, but this one is too soft, so it's not my style. This is for the lady style, or maybe travel, for travel. Yeah, for lighters. Yeah, this one is better because it touch a lot, and then this is basket shift, but this one is heavy. See. So yeah, so overall depending on the users. So what is your style? It's engineering style. It's like interior design, indoor design interior style. All right, let's see some sample typing for this one again. I already reviewed this one and then this one. Sometime maybe I will I want to review all Remington foldable typewriter, more than 10 different design. It's very interesting stuff, but we need more space, huge, right? Yeah. Anyway, let's see this sample typing. Thank you for watching.